Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Deco. So recently, me and my classmate has been complaining about having a lot of PDF slides to read. So recently, I now found an update or a solution to it about turning your PDF slides into sound clip that you can listen at your own convenient time. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider hit the subscribe button, like this video, share and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified exactly when I post any amazing videos like this. And if you're a returning viewer, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate it. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into today's tutorial. So the first thing, head over to your own Google browser, any browser of your choice, and get over to this search box and search for notebookLM.google. So let's wait for this website and click on this try NotebookLM. So after this, if you are new to this, you will have the option to add an account. So add your Google account, it is saved. And the first thing, click on new notebook, and after you upload the PDF that you want to turn to voice. So if this tutorial for you, don't forget to consider hit the subscribe button, like this video, share and comment. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys, I really happy. We'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Peace out.